Hi, it's Miss Ari from the Little Gym, and today we're going to be making paper plate animals. So what you're going to need for this is a paper plate and some markers or crayons or color pencils or whatever you like to use. Alright, so we're going to take our markers and our paper plate and think of an animal. I think I'm going to draw a cat. And then you're going to draw. You can use as many colors as you want. Make it whatever you like to be. Color in. Here's my cat. Let me see what you did on your paper plate down below in the comments. I hope to see you soon.